Welcome to the personal property tour for number 199 Taylor Street in Methil. The property behind me here is a 4-bedroom maisonette apartment. This is a really spacious apartment, ideal for a family setup. It's just been refurbed to a really high standard, new kitchen, there's a nice garden at the back, and we are going to take a look around in this new property for let today. So let's head inside. So guys, here is the entrance to 199 Taylor Street. Now the door entrance here up the stairway, but before we head in, I just wanted to show you this shared garden area with the neighbouring apartments and flats. This is a really well maintained garden area. You can see it's got the afternoon sun and there's space there for drying and lawn area and things as well. Entrance, you come up through the gate here to the stairway, and as I say, we'll head up into the property itself. Now the property's just been renovated, it's all double glazed, it's gas central heating, new kitchen been put in there as well, and of course decorated and carpets throughout. Head into the front door, straight to the foot of the stairs, a nice wide stairway leading to the upper level. We will start firstly in the lounge. Lounge area, as I say, it's all been neutrally decorated, and you've got the new floor coverings here, nice feature fireplace, and the window overlooking the rear garden. Kitchen straight off the lounge here, as I say, it's all just been newly installed. You've got the tiles on the floor here, you've got the timber effect worktop, and you've got these just off-white units with the chrome handles, integrated oven, hob extractor, sink which again looks over the garden area, and the new combi boiler which has been installed here at the end. You've got 2 windows in the kitchen here letting light through, and you've got space here for fridge freezer as well. I'm sure you'll agree this has been finished to a really high standard and a nice neutral finish, and very on trend as well. So good kitchen lounge space. If we head through off the lounge into the lower hall, you've got a good storage here which is under the stairway, and then this leads us to the bedrooms on the lower floor. You've got these timber doors with the chrome handles, some nice finishes throughout. That double window looks out onto the street, lets lots of light through. You've got the cornice here, and that neutral decor and new flooring. This is a really good sized double room, and next to this you have an additional room which is a single, but again finished to the same standard, and a good sized single room it is. Again, all the same fixtures and fittings. And if we head back through to the foot of the stairs. Now I did mention this is quite a wide staircase, which is great. It's not narrow, you've got the installed new downlighters and the ceiling and things here, so it's nice and bright. Head up here to the top landing. See what I mean about it being quite a big wide staircase, and you've got the 3 rooms up here, which are the, first off to my right, the 4-piece bathroom. So you've got the low level toilet, you've got the corner bath, you've got the corner shower enclosure with the electric thermostatic shower, and the wash hand basin incorporated into the vanity unit, and the Velux window there as we are on the upper level. But I'm sure you'll agree, nice, clean and spacious bathroom with the 4-piece bath, shower, toilet and wash hand basin. There are a further 2 rooms, as this is a 4-bedroom maisonette. Another good sized double. We're up here on the front of the property, it's all the UPVC double glazed windows. And you've got built-in storage here as well. So good size double. And then the final bedroom, again a double room, finished with the same neutral decor. And if we look out the window here, you do actually have views across the bay, down to Leven and along to London Links, and out across the Firth of Forth, through the houses there. So guys, 199 Taylor Street in Methil, 4-bedroom, Maisonette apartment. This has got bags of space, it's an ideal family home, it's a new property for let guys, it won't sit around long. If you want any further details, please speak to me direct by messaging me on this post, or indeed speak to one of the lettings team on 01 333 424 188. I'm Richard Cook guys, this is Fife Properties.